M&B Metal Products started in 1943 by my grandfather, Milton Magnus Sr., and a gentleman by the name of Roy Breckel. So they made a machine to make hangers. And Mr. Breckel was the engineer. He made the machine, and my grandfather was the business partner. He bought the steel, sold the hangers, and looked after the finances of the company.
From there, we started making hangers, and then through the different years and different kind of trends in clothing and trends in business, we've evolved with it and put new product out there and pulled old product off, and here we are today.
So a lot of times you hear people say, well, gosh, a hanger is just a hanger. Well, maybe it is to somebody besides us.
So we provide pretty much a full line going through all different colors, all different shapes, all different sizes. So we make everything from a 13-inch hanger up to a 20-inch hanger. And then we make struts, and we make drapery hangers that are a 10.5 gauge, which is going to be the strongest hanger on the market. We also carry bag stands and hanger racks, tubes that go on the drapery hangers. We also sell a little wire. We have the ability to draw and galvanize our own wire, so we sell finished wire product. We pretty much cover it all.
It's just, a hanger is not just a hanger.
We have been able to set ourselves apart by investing in new machinery and also investing in new techniques. We've invested in robotics, we've invested in high-speed wire drawing equipment, we've invested in galvanizing lines. We invest in our people and increase their training levels, both on PLCs, on robots.
Always trying to speed up the process, but in return, you've also got to maintain a high standard of quality. It's really just been about being a partnership between the folks that work for us on the floor, but also the folks that possibly designed a piece of equipment. And then it's also got to work for the customer, not just for us, but the innovation has got to work. So you've got to want to be able to change, and you've got to change with the times, but also try to be ahead of the times.
At M&B, our core values are people, planet, and profit.
Always about people. If it's people that work here, people that deliver goods to us, people that we sell to.
Planet is our environmental responsibility, planet.
We're always very, very conscious about the sort of the byproducts of what we actually make or use.
And profit, we have to make a profit to stay in business, to be able to do the other things we do.
So it's one of the core values that we talk about, and it's the planet. And it's, anytime that we have the opportunity to either design a new piece of equipment or upgrade something, the planet, the green initiative is always on our mind.
The steel we buy is 100% recycled material. Mills we buy it from will melt the scrap and turn it into wire rod for us. We recycle all our scrap. The scrap we have, we sell it back to the scrap company.
We use recycled material. Our boxes are from recycled material. Our galvanized line is all enclosed. There's no smell, there's no smoke emissions. Especially when we're looking at new things, that's one of the first things they look at. Is something environmentally friendly and all. So.
And then our coating systems are both closed loop systems. Those systems just constantly cycle and they filter out all of the sediment as they go. All of our paint and all of our galvanized stays in the system, and so it's not being wasted.
We'd like to tell everybody we're a North American company. We're within 2 or 3 days of delivering anybody in the country. If there's ever a problem, we're there standing behind it. Fix problems in a hurry. We try to keep the amount of stock necessary to deliver you within 2 or 3 days from the time we get an order. We take great pride in our service, our people, quality.
We've been here since 1943. We will continue to be here.
Really, we are the last full-line hanger manufacturer in the United States. When I say we're full-line, it goes from dry cleaning hangers to industrial hangers. So for us as a company to be a company that we live and breathe integrity to hang on to, it's always about looking in the mirror and knowing that you've done the right thing.
We're focused on the consistency of our service to make sure that you get what you need when you need it, and the reliability of the product and the consistency of the product to make sure that every time that you pull a hanger out of the box, it's exactly how it needs to be. And if it's not, the service side will step in and take care of it and make sure that you are a happy customer.